Hi, today we discuss about Newton's first law of motion. To understand Newton's first law better, we should know what is meant by inertia first. Inertia nothing but inability of a body to change its state of rest or of uniform motion by itself is called inertia. To make it simple, let us consider this example. You can see the rock which remains at rest. This is considered as inertia. Things wants to stay in the position where they are. So in order to move the rock, you need to apply force. Let us consider another example. Here the object is ball which keep moving. In order to stop the motion of the ball, we need force act against to it. So things wants to keep doing what they are already doing. This is referred as inertia. So Newton's first law states that an object remains in the state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line. Straight line nothing but a constant velocity. Velocity means equivalent to a specification of its speed and direction of motion. So an object remains in the state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change that state by an applied unbalanced force. We'll see two more examples. I think it make you understand better. Let us consider day-to-day example. We often travel in a car. Have you ever thought concept of inertia even apply there? Imagine we traveling in a motor car. We tends to remain at rest with respect to the seat until the driver applies a braking force to stop the motor car. With the application of brakes, the car slows down, but our body tends to continue in the same state of motion because of inertia. Let us consider another example. When we are standing in a bus which begins to move suddenly, now we tends to fall backward. This is because a sudden start of the bus brings motion to the bus as well as to our feet in contact with the floor of the bus. But the rest of our body opposes this motion because of its inertia. So inertia is nothing but things wants to stay in the position where they are. Things wants to keep doing what they are already doing.